Hello, it's Viking One, the expeditionary bikepacking veteran, and I'm going to take you on an outside walking tour of Allegiant Stadium, home of the Las Vegas Raiders. And here we go. Okay, I'm walking towards I-15. I'm going east on the sidewalk, and I'm going to walk towards the box office. It's a sunny day here today, and as I pan across that stadium, I'm going to show you the casinos across I-15 on the Strip. Directly ahead of me is the Mandalay Bay and the Delano, which is part of the Mandalay Bay. My cell phone camera is facing north, and there's the Las Vegas Strip. Some very familiar casinos. You got the MGM, New York, the Luxor, and as I continue to pan, there's the Mandalay Bay again, and then here it is. The focal point of this walking tour, home of the Raiders, Allegiant Stadium. Today is Monday, February 7th, 2022, and they just played the Pro Bowl here yesterday on Sunday. These are the gates where you can enter. All right, here's the north entry, and you could tour the inside, but I'm just going to do an outside walking tour. I got my backpack and another bag with me, so. But yeah, this is a fantastic place. Let me get out of the way here so people can enter. Very awesome place. I'm just going to walk up to the gate. I'm not going to enter. So this is where I'm at. I'm at the Ford North Entry. Okay, I'm standing in Lot D, parking lot D1. This is the east end. There's the big billboard, the electronic billboard. This is Lot D. I'm just gonna walk south. Towards the billboard. Okay, I'm standing across the street, just west of the I-15. I just wanted to back up and get a better shot of this fabulous Allegiant Stadium. And it is just fantastic here. The weather's beautiful once again. It's gotta be in the 60s. Sun is shining. And I'm enjoying myself. Should be coming shortly. Nope, there's the general manager, Dave Ziegler. That's the one I'm waiting for. Okay, it's Viking 1, the expeditionary bikepacking veteran, and I'm gonna sign off of this video. I'm gonna ride off into the sunset. Have a good day.